Hello, my gardeners. Good news. I passed the test, the Master Gardener test. I'm so happy. And when I was preparing for the test, my kids were saying, "Mom, why are you so stressed out? It's just one test, and we are passing so many tests in our school days." But for me, it was a big deal. And when you're grown up, the approach to testing is so different. So today I received the email finally that I passed the written exam, which was 3 hours, open book written exam. And just look at these notebooks. I really tried to prepare well, and I labeled everything very well for me to be able to know which information is. And we really went through a lot of information during these 2.5 months. So tomorrow would be our last day, and 30% of the exam was devoted to the essay on a certain topic. So that was stressful, but it is done, and I'm very happy that I am passed. And now the next step in our Master Gardening program would be office, clinic, and volunteer hours. So office clinic is we will come to the office and we will be sitting with Master Gardener at the phone and we will be answering questions. So that will be interesting. Probably, again, the first time around would be kind of stressful, but I would love if somebody will come and ask me a rose question, And then we have to volunteer. There are different projects going around in the state of Connecticut. And I probably will be volunteering with this wonderful Master Gardener whom I like. And she's doing her own project not far away from Stratford, where I live, the town of Stratford in Connecticut. It's raining outside, believe it or not, for 2.5 days. I cannot get outside into the garden. Everything looks so green. And we didn't have a rain. Before this week, we didn't have rain for a long time, so I was kind of getting nervous. And since it's very cold outside, we have some plants which are already blooming, and others are not even leafing out. For example, by this time, the back of my garden would be already covered with greenery. We have a lot of deciduous trees there at the back, which are bare in winter. And I always wait for them to fill up in summer because I like when all the houses at the back are covered in a way. So this year, my beautiful azalea at the back, that pink beauty right there, she's already blossoming. And the dogwood at the back is not even unleafing the leaves or pushing any flowers. So this year is going to be interesting, Still very cold. But I'm suspecting that after several deep rains, everything will be growing much faster now. I look forward to finally getting back to the garden because, I was so busy studying for this exam that my garden got a little bit neglected. So thank you for being patient since my videos were somewhat scarce. And I look forward just to hang out in the garden and be there. So again, good news. We will see you around again, and happy gardening.